Come on, Floppy. Back your shit up.
She like dropped herself.
Come on, Floppy.
Just don't hit yourself on the car, that's all I say. That hurts.
And brain damage. Johnson, move your car. It's too much information. I literally saw like the drool coming off like when he let go of her, when he bit her. Yeah. You can see the little trail on her too.
Oh, I just see a bunch of drool on her. Come here. Come on. Go left. Oh, there you are.
Hera!
Are you just recording?
Look at that. Big old...
Like you have a little, you know.
Yeah, you got a little something there.
Just a little. Kick his ass, kick his ass, kick his ass. Kick his ass.
Come on, go play.
What are you, fat girl? Nobody got it. You?
You did.
Take it down.
Why don't you take it back under the car?
Hey.